Alright guys, this is what's inside my bag as the steelhead guide. Main pocket, I got all sorts of beads. Got my oranges, got more oranges, reds, pinks, some reds, some more oranges. Alright, some of my go-to bead colors. I like 10mm Juggernaut by Blue Bead. Really good option. It's all around. Butters by Blue Bead. Another good option. If these were size 10mm, I'd use them for steelhead. But this is another really good option. Can't really see it. That's a good option. These, my Blue Bead, really another good option. It's got like some white on it. These, my buddy Landon painted up for me. I like them. They work good for salmon. And then I like these for late November scams. Really, any of these colors are good, but those are really my go-tos. Oh, and this color by Blue Bead. I have no clue what it's called, but Slay Salmon, and it's a really good option. So yeah. You guys can scan that right there, take you right to Blue Bead, be able to get most of the stuff I have off there. Then get floats, all that off Nova. My split shot, I just get from Walmart. They're all the same stuff, so. Okay, next box. So, we got some little spinners for fishing on the creek. Got like some maps. Got a couple of Cleos. I got some rooster tails. This is my go-to for little rainbows. Just painted mine. Good all-around color. This is also a good one. It's maps. It's got like a little rainbow trout pattern. Good color. Yeah. So, here I've got split shots, some bell sinkers, 1 ounce, ½ ounce. I think we all know what these are for. Okay. I've got hooks, swivels, bead pegs, tubing, floats. Running a little low right now, but yeah, running a little low right now. Swivels, all different hooks, floats, 10 and a half, arrow float, another 10 and a half, small floats for the creek. Alright, next spot, we got thunder sticks. Gotta love these. Great option for salmon. When they're not biting on anything else, they'll generally bite on these. My go-to colors are Fire Tiger, of course. Great color. This one's made by Nova Tackle. I don't know what it's called, but it's a really good color. I like it. Alright, and then next box we got... Oh, no more boxes left. Okay, so for my leader line, I've got 6-pound fluorocarbon. I've got some 10-pound fluoro. And then I've got some 20-pound for salmon. And then in here, we got some tubing, headlight. Yep. I got some of that. Alright, and then split shot for my shot lines. I like to run size 7 or 5. Yeah. Got pack 5, another pack of 5, another pack of 7, pack of 3, another pack of 7, another pack of 5, side pockets, Side pockets, nothing. I got that stuff. Little fix float. Ooh, got a piece of tubing. Put that in my box. Alright, very last thing I got is some scissors. You never know when you're going to need scissors. Be cutting line, tubing, anything. Alright, the bag I use is the North Face Recon. I got it for back to school a couple years ago. Works good. Has many pockets. It's got this feature. Shit. That feature. Tighten that up. This tightens up. You do it on the other side too. But I don't want to. So that is what is inside my steelhead fishing bag, steel and salmon fishing bag for as steelhead guide. So next video, probably show you how to rig all this. But I don't know. See how I'm feeling. Oh, and gotta have a knife. This is just like a little Remington.